So today I'm going to make a chart. For this I'm using two kind of sketch pens. First one is this brush pens. These are from Camlin. I really love these brush pens. And the second pens that I'm using are stick pens. They are easily available in markets. You can get them from anywhere, any stationery shop. So let's get started. First I'm going to write the name of a topic. My topic is array. So first I have made two lines from the pencil so that I can write my topic properly. I'm starting from here and I'm going to write the name of my topic. That is array. First I'm going to just write the name, then I will bold some portions of my topic. So this is how my topic looks. Now I'm going to bold some portions of my topic using this brush pen. So this is how my topic looks. Now I'm using two sketch pens, one pink and green, to design it further. This is how my topic looks. It is the final look of my topic. Now I need to write the definition of array. Now I'm gonna shade these words. For this I'm using orange color sketch pen. The trick to shade is that you need to either shade the left side of the whole words or you need to shade the right side of the whole words. My shading is completed and this is how it looks. Now I need to write the next thing.
Computer science, so here I am making two mouse to show the two types of arrays. I will make another mouse. I've made both the mouse and now I'm going to write the name of the types of array on them. I'm using this Faber-Castell connector pen to write the name on the mouse. This is how they both look. Now I need to write the definitions of both of this. I have made two computer screens to write their definition. I have completed this one and now I will write the another one. In the same way, I will write the definition of one-dimensional array also.
my chart, and now my chart looks like this.